Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.8 LS version on RHEL 10. Then we will connect MySQL Server from the dbvar and MySQL command line client. Okay. So first open the any web browser, then go to MySQL official website. It is mysql.com. Then click on downloads. Then click on MySQL community downloads. Then select MySQL community server. Then select version. See here we have the 8.4.8 LDS. If you are unable to find the version, click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select operating system Red Hat or Oracle Linux. Then select the OS version Red Hat or Oracle Linux x86 64-bit. Once we selected the above options, it populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this RPM bundle, click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and it is star file. And its size is about 877 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will enter the star file and we will install MySQL Server 8.4.8. This will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads. LS. See here we have the tar file. We have to enter tar-exec, then MySQL, then press the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. LS. See, we have list of RPM packages. We have to install them. Control A, sudo rpm -ivh -nodeps start.rpm. Hit enter. Then provide the password of currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user. Hit enter. See, we are installing MySQL Server 8.4.8. We have successfully installed MySQL Server 8.4.8. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Control A, sudo systemctl status MySQL D. If you don't give D, it won't work. You have to give MySQL D. See, MySQL Server is installed, but it is inactive or dead. So start it. You took it. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. We have successfully started. See, we have started 8 seconds ago. You took it. Control A. Now we will connect MySQL Server. But to connect to MySQL Server, we must have the password of the MySQL user account. We don't have any root or non-root account password of MySQL. But we can get the MySQL temporary root account password by going to more /var log mysql d.log grep password. You have to give sudo, hit enter. See, this is a MySQL root account temporary password. So copy it. This is not same for you. Then sudo mysql _secure installation. This will set the password for root account. Paste that copied password, hit enter. Now we have to set new password for MySQL root account. Change password, no. Remove anonymous users, yes. Is allowed, no. Remove yes. Reload privileges, yes. All done. We have successfully set the password for MySQL root account. Okay, now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u root -p. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server version number 8.4.8. You can also verify the version by running the command select version. See, we got the same. Now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create database. See, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use, then provide the name of the database. Show tables. See, we don't have any tables, so create table. See, we have created a table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we'll create user. Before that, verify list of users. Show users. This command won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from MySQL.user. See, these are the default users. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL server with this new user. New username is David -p. As I told you, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Okay. Verify the currently logged in user. Select current _ user. See, we have connected to MySQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Now we'll see how to start and restart MySQL server on RHEL 10. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL D. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is stopped. We can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. So start it again. See, MySQL service started 2 seconds ago. If you want to restart, we have restarted. See, we have restarted 1 second ago. You took it. Until now, we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. We can also connect MySQL server by using dbeaver or MySQL workbench. I have already installed dbeaver. If you want, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install bench and dbeaver on RHEL. Now click on this plugin button or this database and select new database connection. Then select MySQL, then click on next. Localhost is fine. Then database, we have the bank root, then provide the password of this root account. Not only root, you can give the user which is there on this host. Then click on text connection. This is expected. Go to driver properties. Allow public key retrieval. By default it is false. Change it to true. Then click on text connection. See, successfully connected to MySQL server 8.4.8. Click on finish. Expand this connection. Expand databases. See, here we have database. Users. See, here we have the user. If you want to run queries against this database, right click SQL editor, then open SQL console. Also, if you want to create database, click on this databases, right click create database. Same way you can create users. Okay, now we can run queries against this database bank. Now go to terminal. Ls, these files are not required anymore because we have successfully installed MySQL server 8.4.8 rm start.rpm. This command will delete all rpm packages from the current directory. Ls, remove this one also, rm MySQL, press the tab. Ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure MySQL server 8.4.8 LTS version on RHEL 10. Then we have seen how to connect from the MySQL command line client and dbeaver. Okay, for more MySQL or database tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.